So this is a quick video on how I'm going to top off my dosing system on my reef over there. I'm using the Tropic Marin balling 3-part, which there's a lot of good reasons to use that. I'll talk about that in a second, but it's just 3 bags of white powder. I do 1.5 liters at a time. And what that means for me is that 114 grams of each of the powders goes into parts A, B, and C. And 114 grams at 1.5 liters gives you the proper um, concentration. And I'm going to go ahead and top this off. So there's that balling 3-part all topped off. Get it right to 1.5 liters all the way across. And now I can program that guy in over here. So I was at 440 milliliters. I'm going to go ahead and add those in. So now that I've got that 3-part dosing topped off to 1,500 milliliters on each one, I hit refill and the system will now track. So there they are. It's going to dose 50 milliliters twice per day, as you can see right here in my schedule. So part A, it's going to do 50 milliliters at 12:45 and then again at 6. And I am doing them in such a way that they are separated so that the components are not mixing in the tank. So I'm doing basically 100 milliliters per day. And that gets me up to the alkalinity and magnesium where I want to be. So there's that balling 3-part. Where I'm at is, you can see I've done 1 dose since I installed this here. This one is down 50 milliliters. This one's right at 15 and 1.5 liters. So these two, I'm going to dose A, B, and C with 2 hours in between them. And it's going to get 50 milliliters twice a day. So a total of 100 milliliters a day is what's going in. And that's what's keeping my tank happy.